Problem 126, we're taking a look at a series, and we want to go through and find the sum of the first 5 terms. First thing we need to realize with the series is what type of series is this are we dealing with here? Is it going to be arithmetic or geometric? So from 3 to 1 and then 1 to 1/3, we have a multiplier of 1/3. So since there's a common multiplier, this is a geometric series. Once I know it's a geometric series, I can think of my TFN equation. My first term is 3 times my multiplier to the n minus 1. That is now the series written in first term form. Also, even though this ends with a dot, 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 which means it looks like it does not ever end, it continues forever, we only want the sum of the first 5 terms. So this is not an infinite series. We're dealing with a finite geometric series, which means it does end. We want just the sum of the first 5 terms. So now we're going to be using the formula for that. So our formula is the last term, which is 3 times 1/3, 5 minus 1, times my multiplier, minus my first term, divided by my multiplier, minus 1. Simplifying this part right here, I'm going to end up getting 3 times 1/3 to the 5th minus 3 divided by negative 2/3. Now we can go through and simplify. So using my calculator, I can figure out the numerator. The numerator is about negative 2.988. And then I'm going to divide that by negative 2/3. And that gives me an answer of about 4.48. Now let's say that I want to actually go through and I'm going to figure out the exact answer for this one. So if I take this, 1/3 to the 5th, it's going to be 3 over 243, minus 3 divided by negative 2/3. This right here will simplify down to, it'd be the same thing as 1 over 3 to the 4th, which is going to be 1 over 81 minus 3. So this 3 I'm going to make with a common denominator, multiply by 81 over 81. So I'm going to end up getting 243/81 over negative 2/3. So that now gives me, in my numerator, a negative 242 over 81 times the reciprocal of the denominator, so a negative 3 over 2. 3 over 81 I can reduce down to 1 over 27. The negatives will become positives here. 2 negatives make a positive. And then the 242 divided by 2, I can reduce that down to a 121. So the exact answer for this one is 121 over 27, which is the same as what we had over here. It's approximately 4.48. Hope that helps.